Let's use the query step in a flow to sort our output data. To create a new flow, use the SAS Studio toolbar and select New Flow. Add the test results SAS table to the new flow by clicking the Libraries icon in the navigation pane and expanding mylib. Drag the test results table onto the flow canvas. Alternatively, you can right-click the table and select Add to Flow. In the Table Node Details, click the Preview Data tab to view the data. Click Maximize Preview to focus only on the data. This table contains 12 rows and 3 columns. Click Restore Preview to return the focus to the flow and node details. Add a query step by right-clicking the Test Results table node in the flow and selecting Add a Query. By default, the query step writes the output data table to the work library and generates a random name. To name the data table, right-click the output port of the query node and select Add a Table. Add work to the library text field and srt_testr_query to the table name text field. Select the query node in the flow. All columns can be included in the output by adding them to the Select tab within the Options tab. Right-click the table name and select Add Columns to add all columns. Click the Sort tab and expand the test results table to view the columns. Drag Subject onto the Sort tab canvas. Drag % onto the Sort tab canvas and change the sort direction to descending using the drop-down box. Click the Node tab in the Node Details and rename the query node Sort by Subject and %. Click Run Entire Flow. When the flow has been successfully submitted, select the srt_testr_query table node and click the Preview Data tab. The data is sorted by subject in ascending order and % in descending order. The % value in row number 1 contains 66%. Click Save on the Flow toolbar, expand folder shortcuts if necessary, and select the VS folder. In the name box, enter Sort Data and click Save.